Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Open your Chrome browser. Click on this 3 dots. From the options, count 2 steps from the bottom and select So 1 and 2. That is your settings option. Click on it to open. On your left hand side, navigate and select this option. It is the option for languages. Watch closely and follow these steps. Click on this 3 dots. Now you can see that the language has been changed back to English. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video has helped you. Goodbye.